Hey everyone, this is Joe with SignTracker. Are you still using a whiteboard, paper folders, post-it notes, or email threads to manage your sign projects? Or do you have a clunky software system that is just not working for you and your team? Well, Craig and I are hosting a live webinar that will help you choose the right sign shop management system for your shop. It's just straight talk, no spin. We're going to walk through what works, what doesn't work, and how you can make the best choice for your shop. So excited to have you join us in this webinar. And whether you're just choosing software for the very first time or looking to make a change from the software that you're currently using, you will come away from this webinar with real answers and a real plan with what works best for you and how your shop operates. Looking forward to spending some time with you.